Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 6, Day 3. Our topic for today is what happens when light hits transparent and translucent objects. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Which car would you like to ride on a long day drive and why? Lesson language practice. In this lesson, you will observe what happens to light when it hits transparent and a translucent object. Lesson language practice. Transparent, a material that allows all light to pass through clearly. Example, glass, clear plastic. Translucent, meaning a material that allows some light to pass through but you cannot see clearly through it. Example, frosted glass, thin curtains. Pass through, meaning when light goes through a material. Example, light can pass through a window. Diffuse, meaning when light spreads out in many directions after hitting a surface. Example, light diffuses through a cloud or frosted glass. Scatter, meaning when light breaks apart and spreads in different directions after hitting rough or uneven surfaces. Example, light scatters when it hits smoke, fog, or dust. Reading the key idea stem. Activity 3. What happens when light hits a transparent or translucent objects? Number 1. Tell the learners to read the activity title and objectives out loud. Number 2. Explain that they will observe what happens when light hits a transparent and a translucent object. Number 3. Show the students the materials and experiment setup. Explain what they need to do. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Number 1. Tell the learners to do step 1 to 6. They will shine the light of a flashlight on a clear plastic sheet and wax paper. Then, they will draw what they see in the table. Two. Ask the learners to answer guide questions 1 to 4. Question 1. In which material, clear plastic sheet or wax paper, allowed light to pass through? The answer is both materials allowed light to pass through them. Question 2. Was there a difference in the light that pass through each material? If yes, how are they different? Yes, the light that passed through the clear plastic sheet was brighter and clearer compared to the light that passed through the wax paper, which was blurry and dimmer. Question 3. What does this tell us about the amount of the light that passes through each material? The amount of light that passes through each material is different. Question 4. Which material allowed a greater amount of light to pass through it and why? The clear plastic sheet allowed more light to pass through it compared to the wax paper. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Number 1. Tell the learners to do steps 7 to 16, wherein they will shine the flashlight on a jar filled with a clear water and another filled with a mixture of water and baking powder. Ask the learners to answer guide question 5 to 9. Question 5. In which material, jar A for clear water or jar B, cloudy water, allowed light to pass through? The answer is both materials allowed light to pass through them. Question 6. Was there a difference in the light that passed through each materials? If yes, how are they different? Yes, the light that passed through the clear water was brighter and clearer compared to the light that passed through the cloudy water, which was blurry and dimmer. Question 7. What does this tell us about the amount of light that passes through each material? The amount of light that passes through each material is different. Question 8. Which material allowed a greater amount of light to pass through it and why? The clear water allowed more light to pass through it compared to the cloudy water. Question 9. How are transparent and translucent materials different? Transparent materials allow light most or completely all the light to pass through, while translucent materials allow a small amount of light to pass through. Tell the student to study the wax paper and cloudy water carefully. Why do you think the light that passes through these materials is dim and blurry? To answer the question, ask the student to shine the flashlight through the cloudy water. Tell the learners to look at how light travels through the cloudy water. Ask them to describe what they see. The example answer is, the learner should be able to state that the light is scattered in the cloudy water, which causes the light that passes through it to be dim and blurry. How can you identify if a material is transparent, translucent, or opaque? If the light that passes through is clear and bright, then the material transparent. If the light that passes through is dim and blurry, then the material is translucent. And if no light passes through the material, then it is opaque. Tell the learners to name some of examples of transparent, translucent, and opaque materials. Making generalization and abstraction. Classify these into transparent and translucent objects. What is the difference between transparent and translucent objects? Transparent objects allow all the light that hits them to pass through, while translucent objects allow some of the light to pass through. Evaluating learning. Direction. Read each questions and then encircle your answer from the given choices. Here are the possible answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!